Hello, my name is Anthony Luce. Today's February 11th, 2020. The crypto market has been catching a bid today, so we're going to look at some prices. First off, I'm going to start with the Bitcoin price. As it just broke above $10,000, we reached about 10.4. It looks like, yeah, right there on the wick, about 10.4. And right now we're sitting at about $10,300 for the Bitcoin price. We're looking at the 5-minute chart here. The reason I'm looking at Bitcoin is because the price has been going up lately, but the Bitcoin dominance has actually been falling, which is overall a very bullish sign for the entire crypto market, because Bitcoin is still maintaining its price. Not only maintaining its price, it's increasing in price, and the dominance is falling, which is trickling into the alt markets. Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Binance Coin. We're all seeing lots of coins here catching a bid. So that's what I kind of want to look at today, see where we're going, see where we're headed, if it's a good time to get in or not. If you haven't gotten in already, to be honest with you, none of this is financial advice. All this is my opinions and just kind of my perspective on the markets. Just taking a look at everything here. I own a little bit of Bitcoin. I don't own too much of Bitcoin, but it is up on the day here. If I was looking at maybe getting into Bitcoin, if I hadn't, obviously the $9,800 range looks like the support it's been in the past for the past week, and then it's taken off since then, and it's moving pretty well. Since then, hasn't really gone below 10.1 as we see here. So maybe if I was looking to get into Bitcoin, around 10.1 to $10,080 range is something I'm definitely looking to get into Bitcoin in, if I haven't already. As the Bitcoin halving approaches, the price is just gonna increase. When will the price increase to fully? After the Bitcoin halving, we don't know. Usually it's a couple months after, but the pricing is usually priced in before the Bitcoin halving occurs, and the Bitcoin halving is in May. So Bitcoin's going to continue to go up in price because the miners, they need Bitcoin to be a higher price, because the mining rewarded will be going down in half, and they won't be profitable if the Bitcoin price cannot be sustainable, or if they cannot operate and profit with the current Bitcoin price. So the higher the Bitcoin price, the more profit they can earn, and they can still operate in. So that's good. Bitcoin doing very good. So we're gonna leave. We're gonna look at the overall market cap for the entire crypto space. It said Bitcoin dominance to slip in. Yesterday was around 64, 63 today. $294 billion for the crypto market cap, approaching this $300 billion. Huge psychological barrier. That's what I'm looking for, and I think that's what's getting this market turned up here. As we're getting really close and really approaching there. And next coin I wanted to look at was actually Binance Coin. We were just right on it. Binance Coin I've been in for a while. I like Binance Coin a lot. My friend asked me today, he's like, "Yeah, trying to get into Binance Coin. When's a good price for me to get into it?" Right now I'm looking at the 4-hour chart. As you can see, we're pretty much way oversold here on the 4-hour chart. So you don't want to ever get into anything oversold here on the 4-hour chart. The reason the Binance Coin price has been pumping is because of obviously the green movement in the market is, but I think the rumor of the smart contracts that possibly could be launched on the Binance Chain platform, which would obviously be huge, and would keep propelling the price up here a little bit more. So what I'm looking at, maybe as we look back down the 4 hours, is going off candle prices and how it's been holding here. Maybe now a $24, even down to a $20 Binance Coin, because there's a good psychological barrier for it. $20.90, $21. maybe a good pickup when the market does pull back, because nothing ever goes up in a straight line here, and especially as we can see we're way over getting way over bought here into the territory. Excuse me, I said oversold earlier. We're not in the declines, we're in the upclines. So it's an overbought situation here as we're getting way above the range here, above the 60, above the 50. But long term, Binance Coin, great project. I've added in recently because, like I said, I'm long term on it. Binance is a great exchange too, to trade on. So let's pull in Binance Coin a little bit more here. I could get a little bit better price as to where we're going, or pull back down to. It's getting tight here in the 15. A lot of coins like to move on the 15, I notice. So it's getting tight here in the 15. As you can see, it looks like a nice little consolidation zone in the past couple of days here. Was right there at the 23. Going right back here to 23 at the bottom. So yeah, I can't see Binance Coin pulling back much until the whole market pulls back much here. So maybe to another, like I said, around the 23 level, 23.86 it's looking like, and then if we get a big pullback in the whole market, maybe another 23.96 to even down to the $21 level. In my opinion, I can't see it going below the $20. So Binance Coin, like it. Getting into it now. Like I said, get into this market now if you're long term, definitely. But look for some pullback levels to the 24, to the 23, to down here. My little cheat sheet is always around the 4 hour. I love to see where it consolidates around the 4 hour, where prices like to reflect. So I'm gonna jump into XRP because I've been following XRP forever. My last video was on XRP. Right now, XRP is like the rest of the market, green. We're moving. We're battling the 28.7 level. 28.7 has been the big support in the past, and it is now acting as, you can see, the resistance. So we're in the 3-minute chart here because I'm zoomed in. Overbought, coming back down, but you can always sprout up on the 3-minute quicker, but it's easier to gauge where we're going in a shorter amount of time frame off the 3 minutes here. I could stare at the XRP chart all day. I really can. So as we get to the 28.7 level, if we break it, we hold above it. We're looking good here, and then this crossing here at the 30 cent level, and I'll tell you why I'm looking at the crossing there. So this is my friend, good friend of real life, Dom, the Crypto Coma on Trading View. If you want to go give him a follow, I'll definitely link this down below into the description. He's been following XRP a lot longer than I have, and he's a TA wizard. He showed me basically almost everything I know with technical analysis, and we always love to share each other's ideas here. And I said, Dom, can I please put your channel on YouTube because it is spot on right now? And why did I refresh the page? Because I want to play it and show you how spot on it is, because basically the price has supported right off the middle of the channel as he's drawn up here. And that's just so awesome. He's a wizard. He really is. So that's where it pulled back to yesterday, the 26.7, 26.5, 26.6. That's where if you bought down there, that'll be good. You could always pull down to the end of this channel here. Oh, look at that. Trading view. Free trading view. 20. Yeah, I don't ever see it going past 24.3 again. I said that in a tweet the other day to somebody. It was the lowest I think what goes. 24.3 is huge support in the past. It was like the bottom at one point. So, and as you can say, it lines up right there with the channel. And what I say, 30 cent. If we put back the 30 cent mark here, like I have here, I think that's right where my crossing is on my trading view. Then we break out of the channel, and once we break out of the channel, that is extremely bullish. Not saying that XRP isn't bullish right now. From a video I did the other day, I believe since the MAs are turning up, we're pretty bullish here. And even if you go, we sit back down to the 4 hour. I think yesterday that the RSI dipped all the way back down to 40. It reset. Shoot straight back up here. 60 is a little overbought, but nothing crazy to get about here. I think in the next couple of days we're gonna try to cross this 30 cent mark and then approach the 32 cent. Push into the 32, 34, and then hopefully we get a nice little bull action here as Bitcoin continues its price surge, or even if it declines a little bit, and as the dominance drops and floods into the alt market, because that's basically what we've been seeing lately, and that's extremely bullish for everything here, for all the coins around. Yeah, just battling 28.7 right now. Absolutely battling it. Let's take a little look at it again. I think we'll battle it all night until we pop back down. Maybe pop back down. Right down to here, 28, 1, 27-ish, 9. And then maybe we make another strong move up to 28.7. Let's close it past 28.7. Let's see what we do into the night here. Let's see if we can do it on the 4 hour. It's getting a little past the band there, but room to play on the 4 hour. I mean on the RSI, excuse me. Oh, last but not least, Chainlink, going on an absolute tear today. So I draw up the fibs here. I don't usually draw Fibonacci's extensions. It's mostly retracements. I don't really like to do that. I just kind of like to go off the price levels and historically where the price has settled and done things in the past here. But Chainlink's on an absolute repair. It's nearing all-time high. I believe it's past all-time high. It's on some charts here. 415 was the top. As you can see, I thought maybe 383 was maybe the top as we were pushing up earlier, but it could completely bull flagged right there as I was watching. I was watching this around 5 o'clock, maybe, and I saw that just completely just completely consolidating there, and I was like, oh wow, this thing's gonna jump, and sure enough it did. As I was eating dinner, it jumped 411. It looks down. Now it looks like we're selling out here. long term Chainlink price, I can't see no problem to the $7 range if we're looking at Fibonacci extensions. That's a nice one here. Oh yeah, it's to the 168, to the 1618, excuse me. A little past it, a little below it, usually a little below it. $7 Chainlink. That's a good come up if you got down here, or even if you got down here in the 140s and the 150s, 180s. Hey, but who says Chainlink can't go higher? This is all just, it's all doing its thing here. Fibs are a good tool here, but they're just a way to indicate. So we're exciting times. No, as the night rolls on, I think we're gonna get a lot more green into the market. Uh, Even if Bitcoin cools down, I don't see why it would cool down the rest of the market, as it might trickle into the other altcoins. But as we get close to the $300 or $300 billion market cap, next we might see like a psychological level there. It might be a dip down, a little pullback. But it's been a good day in crypto so far. It's weird commodities. Gold and silver, we're getting slammed today. Some stocks closed at record highs. What else is new? With the Federal Reserve pumping billions of dollars a day into the overnight the repo operations, but we're not going to get into that at all. I'm Anthony Luce. Give me your ideas of what you think on these coins here on Binance Coin, Link, XRP, Bitcoin, or if you want me to take a look at any other coins, I definitely can. Definitely always interested in looking at other alts. But yeah, let me know what you think down below. Leave a like, subscribe. My name is Anthony Luce. Thank you again for listening.